Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by verifying prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Turn the gas control to OFF, then inspect the vent housing and chimney for obstructions or damage. Use a flashlight to check seals, because leaks or cracks change flame behavior and efficiency. Once done, assemble tools, wrench, lighter, leak detection spray, and position yourself safely. Make sure to read the model-specific manual for pressure specs and ignition points. This helps you avoid guesswork and reduces rework during the next step. Now proceed with controlled ignition and detailed setup. Open the gas slightly and listen for a consistent flow, because pulsing suggests regulator or supply issues. Then follow the manual to light the pilot. Use a steady flame and adjust the pilot screw until the flame envelopes the sensor but stays blue. Once stable, advance the main valve slowly. Observe flame height and color, since a weak or yellow flame indicates wrong mixture. Make adjustments in small increments and recheck seals after each change. Finish by making final adjustments and confirming safe operation. Confirm proper draft by feeling airflow at the exhaust and measuring the temperature rise. Consistent exhaust means efficient combustion. Then perform a leak test. Spray soapy solution on joints. Watch for bubbles, because even small leaks require immediate attention. If you detect irregular flame, persistent odor, or bubbling, shut off the gas at once and document what you observed. Finally, call a certified technician if problems persist. This protects you from unsafe repairs and costly mistakes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.